Welcome to the MM_score factory, where our dragon fruit begins its journey from these meticulously organized fields.
How do these look, boss? Top quality. Make sure they're packed carefully.
Did you scan the last batch? Yes, Supervisor. All entered into the system.
Final count logged?
Yes, all pallets secured.
All right, drivers, convoy is clear. Head to MM Factory.
This one is slightly bruised. Send it to the secondary line. The others look perfect.
Look here, the bricks measurement is exactly within tolerance.
Confirmed. The extraction rate has improved by 5% this hour. The consistency levels are stable at 12 bricks.
Good, maintain the flow rate.
Check the temperature on heat exchanger 3.
Holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius.
Finished MM Factory dragon fruit juice bottles arrive at the automatic packing station.
Everything secured in Trailer 3. Confirmed on the manifest. Seal it up. Ensure the refrigeration on the dragon fruit juice is stable. All systems green. Rerouting the third truck for priority supermarket delivery. Receiving dock confirms shipment 7B. All cases accounted for. Moving to storage now.
Wow, this looks great. Is this the new MM Factory juice?
Yes, we just finished setting it up. It's premium dragon fruit.
The small one is easier for lunchboxes, but this large one is a better value.
Let's get the big one. We drink it fast enough.
To the best dragon fruit juice. Cheers. Wow, this is amazing.
The clarity is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the labels are all aligned correctly. Ready for export. All parameters are within specification.
Excellent. The dragon fruit batch is approved.
As you can see, the organic waste conversion is fully optimized. And the water filtration systems are performing flawlessly.
This reading here confirms the alignment is perfect now.
Great work. The line is running smoothly. Let's log it.
Cargo trucks transport the shipping containers to a major international seaport. Towering container cranes load the cargo onto a
Look, it's low sugar and all natural.
Perfect, let's get this one for the picnic.
This state-of-the-art facility combines human expertise and robotic precision to bring you the finest dragon fruit juice. As the sun sets on a successful day, thousands of bottles begin their journey.